unboxing the Unicorn Slime Kit. So we have to thank Original Stationery for gifting us this super fun toy. So let's open it up. Come on, Giselle. Yay! Step up. So we have foam cubes.
And we have like glitter and like scents and stuff. We have
Lots of foam packs, right?
Yeah, we have pink, blue, purple, and white.
We also have soft clay in here. Ooh, feel this.
Ooh, that's so soft.
And then we have a bottle of, let's see, we have borax, and we have some clear glue. So we're gonna.
Yeah, and we have the entertainers.
We have lots of lids.
Yeah.
And we have some buckets here, small buckets, big buckets, medium buckets.
Yeah, we have some lids and some 3 mixing sticks.
So Lisa don't want to come up stuck right now, but we have 2 measuring cups, which we will be measuring with, because that's what you do with measuring cups.
And we have another lid, and we have like a knife kit or something.
So guys, you gotta let her step out. So now we're going to get started making our slime. So first we have to take the glue and take it to 30 milliliters.
Okay.
A little bit. So we're starting off with making basic slime. 1, there. This is like 3 more drops.
1,
No, big ones though.
2.
Nope.
Okay, see if we're up there.
Yep, we're finally here.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna add a
Put
few.
some borax in there while I close this.
I'm gonna do
glue.
3 drops.
Okay, very little.
Whoa, I think that was already 3. It went out fast.
I hope that.
Okay, so now we're going to mix it.
Can I
I'll mix it up a
first?
little, and then you want to try?
Yeah.
Oh, this is very good slime.
Oh,
I
this-
don't think I've ever made like such good slime.
That looks very gooey.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, mix it up. It's kind of hard to do it.
Oh, it feels so gooey. Okay, we're gonna
Okay, now we
take.
gotta take it out and
Oh my gosh, this is actually
Whoa.
a gooey slime.
very gooey.
Yeah.
Gonna try to get all of it out. Ah, it's sticky.
Oh, it's so sticky.
Sticky lime. Sticky lime.
I just love sticky slime.
Why?
I have no idea.
Put in the comments if you guys like sticky slime, if we're make sure my sister's not the only one.
So we're just kneading the slime with our hands to get more mixture.
So we're just kneading it around. You wanna try?
Yeah. Oh my
sticky.
gosh.
So it's kind of like clear and sticky.
I love
I'm
sticky
gonna try
slime.
I'm just gonna try to get a little more out
I
of it.
love sticky slime.
Oh, I know.
It's so good. Okay, so we're just gonna put the slime in the bucket again and
move
then
on to the next
step. So sticky. Now I'm going to turn a basic slime to
Into
a cloud
cloud
slime.
slime.
So we're going to put some water in.
Yep, so we're gonna need 50 milliliters. Okay, so now I'm going up to 10. I'm going to put our snow powder in.
Oh, don't put too much.
Wait, gotta let it settle. Yep, perfect.
Oh my gosh, can I mix it first?
Go ahead.
Because last time you got to mix it first.
There you go. Mix it up. Mix it up real good. Oh, girl. Yeah, you got this. Come on, mix it. Mix it like you left a bit on it. I'm just gonna play tea party over here. Cheers. Here you go, Molly.
Oh my gosh,
my
it's
snow
already
cheese.
getting gooey. It's already getting like snow.
Wait, can I see?
It's like
Oh, that is cool.
It's like chunks of snow, guys.
You want me to try mixing it?
Oh yeah, it's.
Okay.
I'm gonna clean the table.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
I know it looks like actual snow.
Yeah, guys, look at get a close up on this. This is cool.
Mine too.
Now she's gonna add a little bit of the snow to the slime and go ahead and put it in. You want to dump a little? Dump some in. Just a little. Okay, now I'm gonna stir it up a little. Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna add.
Oh, it's so snowy. Look at it.
Oh my gosh, can I try to mix it?
It's so snowy. Sure. Here you go. And I'll add some in while you mix it. Ooh, this is fun.
Oh my god.
Oh, guys, you can order this right now off of Amazon.
But
it is so fun.
But sure to keep watching this video before you do.
Yeah, make sure.
Okay, should we put one more?
Yeah, let's put a little bit more because it needs to be very snowy. Like the snowiest thing. Like this is gonna be from Mount Everest. From the top. If any of you watching this video have ever made it to the top, put in the comments what's up there.
And you probably haven't because I've heard that's impossible.
I think some people have made it to the top.
Oh, well, kind of.
I've actually played a video game where you try to get to the top. I made about like a quarter way up and fell into abyss.
Yeah, can you?
Okay, so
Feels so snowy.
you want to take this out and try to get it in there. I have snow hands.
I don't.
I'm just gonna, guys. This is really fun to play with.
No.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna have a lot of slime, guys.
Yeah.
This is like a lot.
Let's show our friends what you have in your hand. Oh gosh. This is very sticky slime.
Yes.
Wait, can I see? Oogie googie.
So we're back, guys, and
We made our slime.
but the other one was not. We didn't make it that good, so
Yeah, so
we did another try. And
yeah, so
it
never
actually
give up,
works.
guys. Just try again. So now we're gonna start with decorating our slime. So first I wanna add some, we're gonna get some foam balls. Foam, not balls. What am I talking about? They're cubes.
Oh my
I'm bad at
gosh.
this.
Oh my gosh, it feels so satisfying with the cubes.
Oh, it is. You
Oh, I want
guys
more.
have to get one of these kits and put cubes in them.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna put some foam in mine, some pink foam.
I think I will add my glitter.
Ooh, you can add some glitter. Gonna add that glitter. Gonna add that, gonna add that purple glitter.
I like her.
Oh my gosh, I love this foam. I'm gonna make mine like super satisfying slime. Like, I'm gonna make it really shiny and pretty though.
Oh
Because
my
unicorns,
gosh.
they look glitter. It's unicorns, they look glitter.
Oh my gosh, look, it's actually turning purple.
Oh, pretty. I'm going to add some blush pink into my slime. So here we go.
Oh, I made a mess.
This is what we call a slime fashion
Mess. I'm just gonna sprinkle all
We'll
this.
clean that up later.
I'm just
Okay,
gonna
so I'm gonna-
sprinkle all that into my slime.
Put my color in.
I'm sticking the balls on.
Okay, so now I'm mixing my color in so it becomes pinky perfect.
Oh, this is so satisfying.
So pretty. Come see the beautiful blush pink.
Oh my gosh, look at
Oh my
mine.
gosh, I love it.
Guys, look
I just love how the color turned out.
I love.
Now I'm gonna add the candy scent in.
Oh my gosh.
So
Ew.
I probably don't need too many drops, just a few around it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's starting to smell like candy.
I'm gonna put.
Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. Just I'll smell. Here, when you're done with that, I'm gonna add a little more.
I'm putting a lot.
So there's lots of flavors. There's strawberry,
Vanilla
vanilla,
and
bubblegum, and of course, you know, it's candy. All of y'all favorites. Everyone loves candy. Who
Oh
doesn't?
my gosh, smell this. I got
I'm gonna
you.
put a little more candy scent in
Gosh,
there.
I wish you could smell this. It smells amazing.
Oh, it does. Oh my gosh, this slime is perfect.
Oh
I
my
love it.
gosh, I love this slime. God, you have to get this kit.
And
And-
hopefully we do more slime videos in the future. So guys, I'm pretty sure we finished our slimes.
Yeah, okay.
Put ours in a container.
Okay.
So it's so cool that they give us these little containers. So
Oh my gosh, guys, and I made this slime.
made that one a little earlier today.
Yeah, I just used this, and then I put like this, and then I mixed this with water, and then I put it in a sandwich baggie and like mixed all of it up,
Like this. La, 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 la.
and I made this.
Actually have the bucket. It's like a real bucket, so you can put away your slime stuff.
Yeah, like this. Okay, so we're packing up all our stuff. button.
Thank you for watching.
And please hit that big subscribe button in the
The
face.
face. And comment down below if you like this video and what kind of slimes are your favorites. And make sure to tell us if you got this super fun kit and what you think about it. So, bye guys!